Answer: your door no matter where you are from your smartphone with 1080p, HD day and infrared night video and two-way audio. Experience long-lasting battery life, custom alerts, privacy settings, and more. Get alerts when motion is detected or someone presses video doorbell. Connect to existing doorbell wiring or pair with a sync module. Sold separately to engage. Live view and two-way audio on demand. Choose to save and share clips in the cloud with a free 30-day trial of the Blink subscription plan or locally with the Sync Module 2 and USB drive, each sold separately. Designed for every home. Go wire-free or connect to doorbell wiring to also sound your existing in-home chime. Without wiring, you can use your Blink mini camera, sold separately, as an indoor plug-in chime. Set up yourself in minutes with the two included. AA lithium batteries, then connect to Wi-Fi in the app. Works with Alexa, receive alerts and answer with two-way audio. When wired or paired with a sync module, just ask Alexa to answer the front door. Includes one video doorbell, two AA 1.5V lithium batteries, 4 screws, one case opening tool. Does not include Sync Module 2, which can be found in all systems. Above, recommended for optimal use while on battery.